Hello guys, I have been hearing thunder for the last few minutes, and if your weather app is saying that it's going to be nice and sunny with cloudy, I want you to think again. Maybe you should update it or change it or something, anything, because look over here. As you hear, that is a thunderstorm. If you see right there, there's a thunderstorm. If you look over there, it's nice and sunny. Okay, get candles, flashlights, keep your pet safe, and get the glow-in-the-dark lightsabers, and stay safe, and I'll keep you all posted. I'm watching you, Thunder. We're watching you.